Hello, this is your boy Agent. You're tuning to Limpopo Online TV. I've got Easy T in the building. Sugar Venda, you know. So, what's up? What's happening here?
So far, Shumara Venda, Victoria, Kara Heritage Institute, yeah. Brother, Shumara Venda.
Okay, Zine Easy T Aquita Zinundibini. What's happening?
So far, Easy T, Banjimam Divaka King Rap as a group. But as you know, Easy T Kopisha Solo, I have a new single. And then Shumana Watunanga Wupakia Large, Mizofel, Bamba Kayo. Yeah, Nabamu Banjinga Manipala. So, from Monday, we're moving on to
Who cares about the date? Monday.
Monday, yeah, you know, yeah. It's don't make a tomo friend that's radio and stuff like that.
So basically, Easy T Ukova Ukoto Deja Solo or Ukoto.
You know, King Rap, it's a gone. I'm King Rap, Easy T or Baka King Rap. King Rap can exist. Just that or Easy T or the single, yeah, or answer. That's
the name of the single is it Ikodova Free or
Verex or Nika Radio EP? I see all rings and stuff, but when time goes on, it goes coming.
Okay, the Limpopo Online TV, I've got Easy T and we're still hosting it. Record 10, Shumera Venda, we're still holding it down, eh?